Nestled in the heart of the Himalayas, Nepal stands as a beacon of resilience and determination amidst a landscape shaped by both natural beauty and adversity. This small yet vibrant nation has weathered a multitude of challenges, from devastating earthquakes to political instability and economic hurdles. Despite all the challenges, this resilient nation has made significant strides towards development, especially in the field of healthcare. From expanding access to medical services to implementing innovative and advanced technologies, Nepal is committed to enhancing the well-being of its people. Behind the story of this healthcare revolution in Nepal stands pioneers like Dr. Ashok Kumar Banskota and Dr. Jagdish Lal Baidya, founder of Baidya and Banskota Hospital, distinguished figures in Nepalese healthcare. They chose to leave successful careers in the West to serve their own people back home.
After my decade-long stay in the UK, I came back here. That time, health service was really primitive. Whatever saving I had, I bought the equipment. My initial period was really miserable, very tempting to go abroad or go back to UK.
Dr. Baidya came back, I came back a little before him. So we met, and he was also of the same thought. With very little you can do much, and I said anytime I get an opportunity, I'm really going to go full swing to try to develop.
Established in 1997 through the joint efforts of Dr. Jagdish Lal Baidya and Dr. Ashok K. Banskota, Baidya and Banskota B&B Hospital has made notable advancements in healthcare in Nepal by providing world-class medical services to the people of Nepal at their doorstep.
Dr. Baidya and I opened a clinic, it used to be called Kathmandu Nursing Home. It was a rented building and no infrastructure. Both of us had brought some equipment with us, when we came back for surgery. So we put that up together, and very simple setup. It was really remarkable that people could trust us with our skills to undergo treatment in such a shabby kind of situation. But we were very sincere, we were very hardworking. Side by side, B&B Hospital was also developed by Dr. Baidya and myself. We were very afraid of actually carrying a big hospital loan on our shoulders when our revenue generation was kind of limited. So this particular program has always developed in phases. We built a little bit, buy a little land, and then try to build the second part, becomes more expensive.
Those days, we didn't even know that we could borrow money from the bank, such a simple guys, and build a 50-bed hospital, then the 100-bed hospital. This is the fourth extension. Now, this is the largest 300-bedded hospital.
While the health infrastructure in Nepal was progressing, many still needed to travel to neighboring India for advanced medical treatments, including robotic surgery, which was not available locally. To bridge this gap, the hospital decided to acquire the SSI Mantra surgical robotic system to provide patients of Nepal with access to highly advanced surgical care.
The existing or so-called leading robot companies in the world, somehow they are not interested in selling robots to our country. It's very pity. So we should thank SSI SSI Innovations, for providing this opportunity for ourselves and for our patients.
At some point in time, medical surgical care is tied up with technology. The sad part is that technology comes at a cost, and that cost makes stumbling block for institutions like ours, which are financially constrained. Dr. Baidya and I have always had a discussion, and he always wanted to, bring in robotic technology. And he said that before I, move out of this scenario, I want to have robotic.
I saw the mantra. I thought, the Nepalese people can afford this. At least, hundreds of people are flying out of Nepal with such a huge foreign currency. We could give that service to Nepal. In the beginning, it may not be for everybody, but quite a lot of people go to Bangkok or, to India just for robotic surgery. And the mantra convinced me that is the way, robot is going to replace one day the laparoscopic surgery.
With the installation of the SSI Mantra surgical robotic system, B&B Hospital is not just a medical facility, it's a beacon of hope. This collaboration marks the beginning of a global journey, one that will benefit thousands of patients worldwide. The adoption of this state-of-the-art technology has also empowered the surgeons at the hospital to offer the benefits of robotic surgery directly to thousands of patients hailing from the remotest corners of the country.
So if the robot is here at Nepal and B&B or some other places, then I think that the Nepalese would get an opportunity to get operated right here at their home.
It is pretty, it is one of the best systems, I would say. It is cost effective. I would say it is feasible for Nepal. The Mantra system will be, a good asset to B&B Hospital.
SS Innovations developed this cutting-edge technology with the primary goal of decentralizing excellence by making robotic surgery accessible to everyone, regardless of their economic background or social status. SS Innovations strongly believes that a patient's economic status should never be a barrier to receiving superior health care.
अनि रिकभर पनि भयो नै छिटो नै मलाई दुखेको गरेको के पनि छैन अनि त्यहाँबाट चाहिँ अनि अस्ति 6 दिनमा 7 दिनमा टाका निकालेस त म त झन् नै भयो फ्री नै मतलब भित्रबाटै दुखेको गरेको के पनि थिएन
त्यसकारणले मन्त्र रोबोटिक सर्जरीलाई चाहिँ धेरै धेरै धन्यवाद एकदम राम्रो छ मलाई चाहिँ जस खुसी मिल्यो सबै मिल्यो एकदम हृदयदेखि नै धन्यवाद भन्न चाहन्छु मन्त्र रोबोटिक सर्जरीलाई
SSI Mantra surgical robotic system is revolutionizing surgical healthcare within India and now globally, as well as gradually transforming the surgical landscape across the world.
I very much appreciate the philosophy of Dr. Sudhir and Dr. Vishwa. The whole idea of bringing expensive technology and making it affordable for people who would otherwise not have any access to this treatment, that's wonderful.
Sudhir Srivastava and his son, their motto is to spread the mantra all over the world and make it affordable.
The journey is not always about conquering the highest of peaks, but also about elevating healthcare infrastructure to its highest potential.